As the summer sun makes for a beautiful holiday weekend, Governor Josh Shapiro was looking back to last winter today. The governor presented a group of workers with PennDOT the Governor's Awards for Excellence for their response to Erie County's record-breaking winter storm that happened last November. Now, during that storm, between 3 to 7 feet of snow fell throughout the region, and PennDOT responded statewide to move equipment and manpower to Erie County to help clear the snow. Crews worked with the city of Erie and Erie County government in their efforts, and today Governor Shapiro honored 10 employees based in District 1, PennDOT's Northwest PA Regional Office, and PennDOT's Central Office in Harrisburg.